Hi, Miss M6441. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning to all the employers in Hong Kong that looking for a helper. I'm Crystal Villamonte, 36 years old, born in Sibocot, Camarines Sur on October 10, 1989. I'm a single mother. I have a son, 17 years old. I'm a Roman Catholic and high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences.
My work experience is two countries in Middle East. First is in Dubai. I worked since May 2014 to May 2016. I'm taking care of two kids, year age 7 and 3 years old. And the other one is in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. One newborn and one 2 years old girl.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
I do cleaning, cooking, ironing clothes, taking care of kids, bringing and picking them up in the school. Uh,
So you are the one who do all the household chores
yes.
and taking good care of their children, which is
Yes.
in Dubai, 3 years old and 7, and on Saudi Arabia, 2 years old and a newborn baby.
Yes.
So you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you can handle to take care of a newborn baby, right?
Yes.
And you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper if it's need to change. Check the body temperature. Check if they are hungry and need to feed.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will call the attention of the parents to check their kids.
Okay, because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby, right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the one safest country and high salary.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Until my employer wants me to stay with them and work with them.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
As of now, no, but
No.
I'm willing to learn
Okay. And how will you learn to cook?
by watching in YouTube or reading some cookbooks.
Okay. And also, if you have an employer or if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, it's okay.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
I don't have experience of taking care of the elderly, but I am willing to.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am kind, respectful, and I will love your kids as my own kids.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Crystal. Thank you.
Thank you.